Good morning. Breakfast tayo. So, breakfast ng hotel. Yan. Good morning. See you later. Hindi takot ang ibon dito, guys. So, lalakad-lakad lang sila pag kumakain kami. Hindi sila takot sa tao. Ito kami, guys, sa baba ng tulay. Yan. Walang tulay dito, guys. On our way to the river market. So, yan. Dito kami sa highway. Dito kami sa may tulay. Yan. Yan, guys, meron siyang parang gate. Ano kaya yan? Ang gate siya, yan.
So people here looks like Filipino size, yeah? People, eh?
Yeah, people, yeah. Yeah.
This gate is for what? Is that the entrance?
Mong Buddha.
Mong Buddha.
Yeah.
So this is Mong Buddha,
Bangkok, really
guys.
big Mong Buddha. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so it's another gate.
Now, outside to Bangkok, outside.
Okay.
Nice one, yeah.
The old side of Bangkok.
Outside,
So,
Bangkok.
so we're here on the old
Outside.
side. Outside Bangkok.
Yeah, yeah.
So we're outside the city now, guys. And we're gonna be riding on a boat. Medyo na traffic lang, guys. Takes us 1 hour 30 minutes to come here.
Ayan, walang helmet yan.
Ayan.
Ano?
Ganyan, ano. Layo din pala to. Ayan, ah. Traffic dito. So, mamaya ulit, guys. So, nakabili na kami, guys, ng elepante.
Saan sila lang kumain?
Sabihan natin itong nag-ano sa atin. Init, pawisan na ako. Itong mga pintahan dito, guys. Oh, may chinilas.
Parang gano'n, nila sana. Wakon siya sana siya.
Hawakan mo lang. Iyan mo dyan sa tabi. Kita mo naman eh. Huwag mo masyadong sa tubig dahil baka mabasa. Mga damit, maliliit. Ang kakasya dyan. Bata. Ano, pambata, oh.
Wala nga, wala.
Mahal siguro. Kain muna tayo.
Sa lugar natin na ito.
Oo. Oh, daming namimili, guys. Ito mga sombrero.
Ito, mga sombrero.
Luma. Sombrero. Meron akong sombrero.
Do you want something? Do you need anything?
The hat.
The
Yeah,
hat?
the hat, yeah.
What is for the guy for the cat?
For me, let me see.
For the legs.
For me, the one for
That
the
one,
hat.
maybe.
This one?
Yeah, let me see.
Okay, you can try. I have.
Right?
Let me see the...
Bili ako ng hat, guys. Bili na?
Oh.
Oh my God. May hat na ako eh. Guys, we're here.
Mabag pa na...
Here. Ano mo? So, we're here na, guys. Nakasakay na kami sa bangka. Dito kami sa River Market. At ang mga hihintuan namin is yung mag-elephant ride kami soon. Mag-iikot kami sa market. And then kakain kami. So just bear with us, guys. It's a fun ride. Yeah. Say something.
Ay. Ito na kami sa Kwan, riverboat. Papunta kami sa Martek at
Doon kami kakain, mag-shop, kung merong mabili, anything. So ito na guys, yan. Nakasakay kami sa boat. Maliit lang siyang river, parang kanal lang siya. Yan, dinadaanan namin. At yun, may mga boat na nag-aantay.
Dubaya ang mga
Yan.
sakyan nila dito. Oh.
Yan, ito din. Parang doon din. So parang Pilipinas lang guys. Ang mga tanim nila, yan o. Yan. Pero fresh air. Ganda ang hangin. Fresco. Yan. Yan. Uy, meron din likuan doon. May crossing. Okay. At yung kasalubong natin ang bilis.
Kaya yung plato tobacco.
Mahina lang. Kasi hindi pa ano. Yan ang aming driver. Solo namin ang go. Yan. Ayun yung mga yugan. Oh my God. Bawal sa tayo. Ayan. Dito lang silang tubig guys. Ayan.
Maalo.
Maalon, yan.
Parang po ano.
Maalon. Yan, salubungan. Na guys, salubungan yan. Ngayon kami kasalubong. Maganda ang hangin dito.
So,
Fresco.
makalulubog
Yan.
yung sa kanila.
Marami sila eh. Yun, yung isa naman, yung isang kasalubong namin guys, bumabalaw sa tubig. Ayan. Uy, may langka. Ang laki ng bunga. Eh, wala na kami kasalubong. Mabilis na siya. Daming nyugan dito guys.
Yung mga ito.
Ayan na. Uy, salubong. Salubong. Ito ang hanap buhay nila dito.
Kaya yung mga driver nila ito.
Yan.
Parang sumasakitan. Wow. This is the market.
Okay. No, we're not.
Okay.
Ito ang market nila guys. I don't think we have to buy now.
Hindi tayo bibili.
No. Kain muna tayo.
Yung mga damit. Oh.
Ito yung mga duster.
Akala ko baka kiyat dito.
Kakatakot.
Bigla kayo itong kuha ko. Akala ko labas.
Guys, mga tindahan. Yan palang mga ano dito.
Akala ko yung mga paligpre. Nasa side lang pala. Akala ko nasa
Side.
pulutan yung market. Oo.
Anong oras na?
Eh, 12 past 12
Ano,
dito.
kain muna tayo. Pwede tayong kumain. Bakaw dito. Oh.
Ito may gero. Dito kayo.
Ay, mga elephants. Maliliit. Mababasag lang. Yung mga kahoy. Kano kaya yung mga...
What are the foods here?
Topping, okay.
Elephant.
Insane ka? What do you want? What
The elephant, how much?
What size? What size?
Just the small one, how much is that? Elephant, the elephant.
Elephant is clean.
Yes, yes.
Skin.
The green one.
Up and down. Good luck and lucky. Hello.
Okay.
Up and down.
Kalma kayo.
How much is this?
Okay, okay.
Ano daw? 850?
Yeah, yeah. Stone. Not plastic, stone. Coal,
Stone?
coal.
Oh, okay.
This is it.
This give luck. This will
Hello, you
give
may
me
buy
luck.
take two luck, good luck and lucky. Down, up, good luck and down, lucky.
Oh.
You buy together, I make cheaper for you.
How much if I buy two?
For two, okay na, for two.
Ako.
Okay.
Oh, and
Cheaper
one.
แล้ว cheaper.
1.5.
Yeah, for two.
1.4. I still have to eat.
Okay, 100 to eat. Okay.
Yeah, 1.4.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one.
So natawaran ko
Ano?
guys.
This one.
But
Up and up.
Yeah.
Up and up. Okay.
Up and down, yeah.
no, up and down.
This is down.
Down. Ni nga.
Yeah, same color. Yeah. Could you wrap it in a paper because we're gonna carry it?
Okay, good packet.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah. Ay, ito.
Okay lang. Buti lang inumin natin.
Yung buko.
Ha?
Buko.
Okay.
Gonna buy buko. Mango sticky rice.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think the buko.
Let me see. The coconut, mango, coconut. Ito na lang coconut.
Saan?
Ice cream 100.
Yeah.
Yan?
Yeah.
Okay.
Coconut ice cream
Coconut ice cream is coconut ice cream too. Yeah.
or ano yung sticky rice?
ไอติม2จ้า
Ano? Which one? This one sticky rice with ice cream?
this signature นะมาดาม
Is this good? This one?
yeah
Gusto mo niyan?
at the big size
Okay, I think so.
Okay, I'll try two of that.
Two here.
Two of that.
two
Yeah.
Two, yeah.
no
No more. That one.
ข้าวเหนียวม้วนไอติม2
So,
เปลี่ยนเป็น
gutom na tayo eh. Okay. Yeah, two of this. Sticky rice with mango.
สมูทตี้อิตาเลียนโซดาแอนด์คอฟฟี่
I want some. Kiwi soda for me.
กีวีวัน
Yeah. How about you? What drink you want?
ซิกเนเจอร์นะเป็นซิกเนเจอร์
Thai tea? You want green tea?
ไทยแลนด์
Walang apple pineapple.
Pineapple you don't have? Pan soda, passion fruit. Pineapple.
Hey, pineapple. Rich for me. Yeah.
วัน
Oh, wait. I think you have here. I want to try the Thai tea
ไทยทีวันแอนด์
and pineapple. Thank you.
ชาไทย1แล้วก็สับปะรดโซดา1
Lasahan natin ang kanilang tea at yung kanilang special tea. Yun.
So what do you sleep? Your night time you go home?
They sleep here. You live here? No. Oh, okay.
You go home after this night.
It's nice. So, antay lang namin ang order namin, guys. Kain na kami. And then, after this yata, yung may pagkainan. And then, punta na kami sa Elephant's Ride. Okay. Ito ko na muna. So, see you later, guys. Kasi hinahanda pa yung pagkain namin. Thanks for watching. I'll be back.